Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please still do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir up 41 cent. Okay, thank you. Up 5%, 5.43%, closed at 796. Post-market here down a bit. So it's basically going sideways. We recovered 792 into our miniature congestion zone. What does it mean? It doesn't mean much. We don't have stochastic. MACD is not hard to satisfy. We have it, and we don't have anything else. We don't have anything else. On the 1 hour chart, first hour was nice. And then it took us a while, huh? It took us a while. We came back down and moving back up a little bit and paused on 792. What we really want to see is a break of this downward resistance, stochastic over 60, and then right after a break of this horizontal resistance to go towards this one here. This would be an okay move from maybe 850 to $11. That could be a little bit of a move that we could take. So we are waiting patiently for that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can click on my other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.